Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use time, H and C. This powerful header file offers essential functions for working with time in your programs. You can measure how long a piece of code takes to run or display the current date and time. We will explore its core components, including the time T and clock T data types, which are fundamental for handling calendar and processor time, respectively. To obtain the current calendar time, you'll use the time function, typically with null as its argument. This function returns a time t value, representing the number of seconds that have passed since the Unix epoch. The epoch is a specific point in time, January 1st, 1970, at midnight Coordinated Universal Time. This value is crucial for many time-related calculations and displays. It's time to seal in that sparkle. Carefully bring the edges of the cotton candy disc together, folding them over the glitter in the center. Gently pinch and roll the cotton candy into a tight, compact ball about 1 inch in diameter. Make sure there are no open seams or gaps where the glitter could escape before its grand reveal. You want a perfectly sealed little package of shimmer. To measure the execution time of a specific code segment, the clock function is invaluable. It returns the number of clock ticks that have elapsed since your program began running. To convert these ticks into a more understandable unit, like seconds, you simply divide the result by the clocks per SEC macro. This provides a precise measurement of the CPU time your program has utilized, helping you optimize performance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.